In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove access from someone on Google Drive, whether you shared a document temporarily, gave someone access by mistake, or just need to tighten control over your files. I'll walk you through each step so you can do it confidently and safely. First, make sure you're signed into your Google account, then open Google Drive. You can do this by going to the Google homepage and clicking on the Drive icon, or by typing the Google Drive address directly into your browser's address bar. Give it a moment to load and you should see your list of files and folders along with any shared items. Next, locate the file or folder you want to manage. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation, or an entire folder that contains multiple items. You can scroll through your list, use the search bar at the top to type in part of the file name, or switch between different views if that helps you spot it more easily. Take a second to double check that you've selected the correct file or folder, because any changes you make will affect who can see that specific item. Once you've found it, move your mouse over the file or folder and right-click it. This will open a small menu with several options like Preview, Open With, and so on. From this menu, click on Share. This is where you control who has access and what they can do with your file. A sharing window will open, showing you the current access settings. Here, you'll see a list of people who can view, comment on, or edit the file, depending on the permissions you gave them earlier. You might also see a note if the file is shared via a link. For now, focus on the list of individual people, look through that list, and find the person you want to remove. Take your time to make sure you're removing the correct person, especially if several people have similar names. Next to their name, you'll see a permission drop-down, which might say viewer, commenter, or editor. Click that permission drop-down. This will open a small menu with different options for their level of access. At the bottom of that menu, you'll see an option to remove access. Click Remove Access to stop that person from being able to open or interact with this file or folder in the future. After you've removed their access, look toward the bottom right of the sharing window and click Save. This step is important because it confirms and applies the change you just made. Once you click Save, Google Drive will update the sharing settings and that person will no longer be able to access the item. To be sure everything worked, you can reopen the share window and confirm that their name no longer appears in the list. If it's gone, their access has been successfully removed. And that's it. You've just removed someone's access to a file or folder on Google Drive. You can repeat these same steps for any other items you want to secure, helping you keep your documents organized and shared only with the right people.